Ford is stepping up its game with the all-new 2025 Ford Puma, a compact crossover that blends sporty design, modern technology, and efficient performance. In today's video, we're diving into its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing to see if this small SUV is the right choice for you. Close-up shots of the car's exterior, showcasing the front grille, headlights, and side profile. Right away, you'll notice the 2025 Puma has a bold and dynamic look. The redesigned front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and sculpted lines give it a sportier and more aggressive presence. The new aerodynamic design not only enhances aesthetics but also improves fuel efficiency. Ford offers a range of stylish alloy wheels, starting from 17 inches and going up to 19 inches for a more premium feel. At the rear, the LED taillights and integrated spoiler add to the Puma's modern appeal, making it stand out in the crowded compact SUV market. Cut to interior shots, showing the dashboard, seats, and infotainment system. Step inside, and the 2025 Puma welcomes you with a well-crafted cabin that combines comfort and technology. The redesigned dashboard features a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a new 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Ford's latest SYNC software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with an improved voice command system. The seats are more ergonomic, with available premium leather and contrast stitching for a more upscale feel. Rear passengers get decent legroom for a subcompact SUV, and the cargo space is impressive, thanks to the innovative megabox storage under the floor, perfect for extra luggage or taller items. Cut to driving shots, focusing on engine performance, acceleration, and handling. Under the hood, the 2025 Puma offers a range of powertrains, including a 1.0-liter EcoBoost mild hybrid engine delivering up to 155 horsepower. For those seeking more excitement, there's also a performance-focused ST variant with a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine pushing out around 200 horsepower. The 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission provides smooth shifts, while the optional all-wheel drive ensures confidence on various terrains. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point, with the mild hybrid version achieving around 50 miles per gallon, making it one of the most economical choices in its class. Cut to pricing and conclusion, showing different trims and price tags. As for pricing, the 2025 Ford Puma starts at around $28,000 for the base model, while higher trims with premium features can go up to $38,000. The sporty ST variant sits at the top of the range, priced at approximately $42,000. With its refreshed design, tech-packed interior, and efficient performance, the new Puma is a solid choice for those looking for a stylish and practical compact crossover. Closing shots of the car driving off, with a call to action. What do you think of the 2025 Ford Puma? Let us know in T.